Johnny Depp has scored a win in his ongoing legal battle against his ex-wife Amber Heard. The two have been involved in their fair share of courtroom drama since Heard, 35, accused Depp of abusing her. Johnny Depp's court case against Amber Heard to proceed despite actress's request to dismiss. The 57-year-old Pirates of the Caribbean star is suing the Sun's publisher, News Group Newspapers, at London's High Court after the tabloid labeled him a wife-beater in a 2018 article. The court has heard evidence from the paper's lawyer that Depp violently attacked his former wife on at least 14 occasions over 3 years from 2013 when enraged by jealousy and having consumed large amounts of alcohol or drugs. The actor would become, according to Heard, 34 and by his account, the monster, the Sun's lawyer Sasha Wass has told the court. Depp rejects all the allegations that he attacked his wife and says Heard was lying, making up a choreographed hoax as part of an insurance policy dossier, and that she had attacked him. Appearing in the witness box for a fifth day, Depp was also asked by his lawyer David Sherborne about the transcript of a conversation the couple had in 2016 after Heard had gone public with her accusations. Depp said he believed what Heard was saying was a reverse confession. It seemed everything she accused me of was something she had done to me, he said. Heard and Depp met in 2011 while co-starring in the film The Rum Diary, and married in 2015. Heard filed for divorce 15 months later when she first said publicly Depp had abused her, and the divorce was finalized in the following year. The court has been shown a number of pictures Heard took of herself with injuries she says Depp inflicted. Wass, the Sun's lawyer, said the photos were taken to show the Hollywood star when he had sobered up, and in her witness statement, Heard had said never imagined they would form part of the court case. Depp has previously recounted how in one incident, Heard had severed the tip of his finger when she threw a bottle of vodka at him. He used his damaged finger to scrawl messages across the house using his blood and paint, the court heard. A few weeks after that incident, Depp is accused of repeatedly punching Heard. The actor said on Monday he could not have done so as he had a cast on his hand because of his damaged finger. Depp took a hit in the UK courts recently after a judge denied his lawsuit against a news publication that called him a wife-beater. After the UK ruling was announced, Heard requested that Depp's defamation suit against her be tossed. However, in a ruling made on Tuesday, a judge declined Heard's request, allowing the $50 million suit to move ahead. In court documents obtained by Fox Business, the suit will proceed because it is inherently different from the UK case despite both containing accusations of the Pirates of the Caribbean star being an abusive partner. Chief Judge Penny S. Askerit elected to drive a larger wedge between the two cases because of the differences between American law and UK law, allowing one to prop up the other, the judge said, would create a chilling effect and could create a dangerous precedent. Askerit also said the court is not persuaded by Heard's argument that Depp had a full and fair opportunity to litigate the UK action. She also called Heard's arguments especially puzzling and nonsensical. The ruling wasn't all good for Depp, however, as the judge also denied sanctions requested by the Oscar nominee against his ex-wife's lawyers for filing the motion to scrap the suit. Depp has kept a relatively low profile in recent months, speaking out just days ago for the first time since losing the Libel case. In an interview with the Sunday Times, he called his reputation's decline an absurdity of media mathematics. After his volatile relationship with Amber Heard came to an end, Depp sued the news outlet for referring to him as a wife-beater in a lengthy case that aired a lot of the couple's dirty laundry and ultimately resulted in a loss for Depp. The situation led to the 58-year-old departing from his role in the Warner Bros. Fantastic Beasts franchise, and it prompted MGM to shelve the release of his latest film, Minamata. The movie follows real-life photojournalist W. Eugene Smith, who helped expose the harsh impact of mercury poisoning on coastal communities in Japan in the 1970s. Speaking to the Sunday Times in his first interview since losing the case, Depp explained that Hollywood's alleged boycott of him is now making it so that the story of the Japanese people affected cannot be told. Depp explained that he feels a responsibility to the people of Minamata, who he says he promised to tell their story in a way that isn't exploitative. Now, thanks to a stupendous bad relationship and ensuing court battle, the focus is not on the men, women, and children impacted in the 1970s. Comparatively, he likens his situation to getting scratched by a kitten, but laments that it's affecting his storytelling ability and Hollywood career nonetheless. The star went as far as to say he's under a Hollywood boycott. Some films touch people and this affects those in Minamata and people who experience similar things. And for anyone, for Hollywood's boycott of me, one man, one actor in an unpleasant and messy situation over the last number of years, he said. With his legal action against a Rupert Murdoch-owned tabloid on hold in the UK due to the coronavirus lockdowns, Johnny Depp on Friday saw Amber Heard's move to effectively steamroll Depp's $50 million defamation suit against her hit a significant judicial roadblock. Defendant's demurrer is sustained as to the fourth statement listed above, but it is overruled as to the other three statements, wrote Fairfax, Virginia County Chief Judge Bruce White on Friday in a lengthy opinion letter to lawyers on both sides of the personnel and messy battle. Further, defendant's plea and bar regarding the statute of limitations is denied. Counsel shall prepare an order reflecting the court's ruling and forward that order to the court for entry, the Virginia state judge added. Noting the trio of statements by Heard distinctly implied that Depp had abused her, as she has claimed in the past. Ostensibly still set to go to trial in the Commonwealth in August, the already litigious Depp first filed the suit just over a year ago in Virginia, which has more flexible defamation laws than California or New York. Ms. Heard is not a victim of domestic abuse, she is a perpetrator. The complaint from the Pirates of the Caribbean star insisted in reaction to an op-ed Heard wrote about domestic violence for the Washington Post in December of 2018.